Hello everyone, and welcome back to another lighting series with me. I am Nicole, and today we have the lovely Miss Sophie again. She will be a regular in these, so just get used to her lovely face. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do a two-light white backdrop look. And this particular look is good if you're doing beauty or if you're doing headshots. You can even go maybe mid-waist area, but unless you have a really big light source, you're not going to be able to get full length with this without it showing. Okay guys, so my light setup is, we have my 5-foot octa here, which is it is set at 6.0. So this is going to just kind of wrap light around her. It is going to be the main backdrop, so it is going to look white here. And then it is going to wrap some light around her because I wanted to do a little wrapping effect. Okay, so then we have my main light, which is a beauty dish here on my Profoto D1, and this is set at 6.5. Okay, so this is, like I said, just a two-light look, and we're going to start shooting now so you can see what this looks like. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so you have seen my setup of how to do a two-light setup with a nice white light as your backdrop in the back. Again, we use the 5-foot octa and the beauty dish, and that is it for this one. If you like this video and you want to see more of these, please subscribe. Hit that button, button below wherever it is, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.